Alright, what is up guys? Train Lover 326 back here with yet another Railfanning video. Now I know what you're thinking, or I know what you might be thinking, which is Railfan video during the school year? Why are you doing that? Well, it's actually a very good reason. And that is because I heard from one of my friends at school that the big boy herself, 4014, was here in St. Louis. So I decided to come down here and try and catch it. And if we don't, I plan to catch at least a train or two. And also, I want to take a moment to say thank you to one entire year on YouTube. Never would I have thought that I would do this good in a year, but it's just unlike anything I've ever seen before, and I wanted to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart so much for all the support. So, with all that out of the way, let's enjoy the evening here in St. Louis, Missouri at Sulphur Avenue. I'll see you when we get our first train. Alright guys, we've got our first train of the day. It's a BNSF train. Looks like it's eastbound. Let me shift over. With 5853 in ES44AC, 6180 in ES44AC, and 7509 in ES44C4. With what appears to be a unit grade train. Alrighty, and let's go check Union Pacific. Oh, that looks like a relatively short train. Let's go check Union Pacific. See if anything's immediately on the way. Alright, nothing that way, and nothing that way. Alright, we'll watch these traffic lights. Alrighty, I'll see you when we get our next train. Alright guys, we've got our second and final train of the day, which is a westbound BNSF manifest. looking, there's still nothing coming on Union Pacific. This train sounded pretty horn friendly. We got 5071, C44-9W, and 5670, AC4400CW. Going to manifest westbound into the yard. Off for now. Let's go and check Union Pacific real fast. Got in a truck on track 2. We got nothing immediately that way, and nothing immediately that way. Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the later part of the video, where we actually go down and see if 4014 is at Gateway Station. So, we'll see you then. Well, I did it, guys. One way or another, we found it. Right here near St. Louis's Gateway Station. And I'm just taking this in. One good thing is that it is pointed westward, which means it'll be going by Manchester. However, I will unfortunately not be able to catch it because I will be in school. However, this is better than nothing. Going to 0.5 a bit. Is amazing. easy. I will make a separate video explaining the stats of this giant. Another video. But basically, what you need to know is that it's a 484 centipede style tender. Number is 4014. SD70M 4015, which is actually a heritage unit. It wears the E9 paint scheme with the green house. But yeah, here she is. Alrighty, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see y'all next time, which will probably be on the 21st. Alright, stay Railfanning and have a great day. Oh, would you look at that? You've got a train meet. With this giant. Go around to the thing so I can get a better shot. Yeah, I can actually see the train. And there it is right there.